Welcome back. We are now at the customer behavior rules page. And basically what we can do here is we can add in a rule within Thrivecart where the shopping cart will execute a process based on what the customer does. So in order to see it, we'll click Add Rule. What you'll see here is that you have a dialog and that the behavior rules are going to be based on 4 different scenarios. When the product is purchased, we can set a rule. When the product is refunded, we can set a rule. When the cart is abandoned, we can set a rule. When a payment is declined, we can set a rule. And typically, we can use any integration that we have already placed in motion in our settings area. So for example, assuming that you have already set up an autoresponder like Aweber, GetResponse, or MailChimp, you will be able to use that autoresponder, and then you'll be able to add individuals to specific lists within your autoresponder. And Thrivecart will look inside of your account to make the connection. And you can then save the rule. You can add in another rule based on this transaction. So for example, what we can do is we can make it so that when the cart is abandoned, we will set up a specific response within a specific autoresponder. And so the behavior rules that we can set up will be based on the integrations that we already have, and that allows us to connect Thrivecart to platforms that we are using based on the customer's behavior. Once we've completed adding rules, we can then click Save, and then once we've completed the behavior section, we can then click Save and then Get URL. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.